First and foremost, I'm very happy that with the newly elected Panchayat body of Sangwal, and all of them are young, dynamic and eager to work, and I'm very sure they're going to do great work for the village. And I have already told them, let one of the first proposals that come from the Panchayat to the MLA of the constituency be related to the Panchayat Ghar. I think they need a proper place from where to function, and I have requested them to put their proposal in writing so that we can start in earnest with the project. And I'm also happy that as far as the land is concerned, I think most of the issues related to land for the new Panchayat Ghar are almost settled. So I think we can take this project up as quickly as possible. Similarly, I have told the newly elected Panchayat, because they questioned me on the Kala Bhavan, and I'm very happy to state that Kala Bhavan tendering process is completed and work is supposed to start very soon, maybe in a month's time. So all the furnishing, then the required infrastructure to be put within for administration, because administration for the head of the director or whoever will be managing the complex. So all these little details have to be put in. Work will start within a month because tendering process has.
We also have a panchayat over here which has been under construction, not under construction, it is under repair. Also we are going to reinstall the CCTV which was there with us with the panchayat, Sangwal Panchayat. I just wanted to make it a corruption-free panchayat. That is my first aim. And I want all the villagers to cooperate with us and support us. If we do something wrong, they should come and tell us, Baba, you are doing this wrong. So all the villagers should cooperate us and stand by us. If we are doing something wrong, just tell us. We are always there to support them.
To work for people. I will get on the ground, okay, work for everyone. This panchayat is going to be for the people anytime. There are not going to be any time limits, no rules. Rules are to be followed in a particular manner, which will be followed. I will make sure, since I belong to a legal background, I will make sure that the rules are followed, regulations are followed, and I request everyone to cooperate with us. I assure you all that we all will cooperate with you all, and we all, the entire panchayat is for the citizens, for the citizens.
जे श्रेय सगळे आमचे रेव्हेन्यू आनी IT मिनिस्टर रोहन खंवटे सराक वयता. ही जी पंचायत फॉर्म जाल्या ही सगळी तेज्या आशिर्वादान जाल्ली आसा, आनी हांव सगळ्या मेंबरांचे देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशेंच म्हाजी ही जी पंचायत घडल्या ती पीपल फ्रेंडली पंचायत आसतली इतकें तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता. जी कामां लोकांची आमी बिना शर्त आमी कामां करून दितले तेंची. तशेंच जे गार्बेज इश्यू आसा तो सुटसुटीत करतले आमी. पर्वरी वाठाराचे जी ग्रीन आनी क्लीन पर्वरी आसा ती आमी पेंदा फ्रांस पंचायतीन सारकी सुटसुटीत करून दवरतले.